Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Google AdWords for display advertising. Google AdWords, or simply AdWords, is an advertising system Google developed to help businesses reach online target markets through its search engine platform and partner sites. These partner sites post a text or image ad that appears on the page after a user searches for keywords and phrases related to a business and its products or services. Now, if you are running an online business, Google Ads is the best marketing strategy you can use to promote your business. And that's what we call display advertising. But what is display advertising? Based on Google, display advertising is display advertising is online graphic advertising through banners, text, images, videos, and audio. The main purpose of digital display advertising is to post company ads on third-party websites. A display ad is usually interactive, which allows brands and advertisers to engage deeper with the users. Now, Google AdWords is a platform that lets you use video to promote any business, products, channels, or whatever you want to promote. For us to learn how to set up our Google Ads account and how to promote video, you can watch our previous video on how to use Google AdWords for local businesses. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube.